This is LRC53. It is called leather juice. Leather juice is designed for brand new leather or exotics. So anything that's like an exotic leather, like like snake or caiman or gator, that sort of thing, this is going to work perfectly on there. It doesn't matter what type of exotic leather it is. It could be anything from like beaver tail to ostrich or anything like that. So it'll work literally on any type of exotic leather. But where it also works and is perfect for is brand new leather in vehicles or brand new clothing that's up to 3 years old. After 3 years, predominantly, the clear coat lacquer that's on the surface has been removed. That is when your leather needs even more protection. So forget all the myths of what you're told on the internet that you don't need to protect leather. It is actually crucial that you do. It's the same as you protect the paintwork of your car. You must protect the paintwork of your vehicle, and you must protect the painted finish on your leather item. Obviously, protection is very important, so you need to make sure that it's deep cleaned first of all before you start putting any type of protection on the surface of your leather item. This leather juice, LRC53, will work on any type of leather. I'm just going to show you here on this jacket how to apply. With it, it's a very, very simple process. Always give the bottle a good shake beforehand to make sure everything is all mixed up again nicely. They come with a lock, so as you can see clearly, it is locked for transit. Move this little bit here, either right or left, and that will allow you to open the trigger spray. Using a sponge, just simply pump the spray until the product comes out, and as you can see, we're getting some of the product out onto the sponge. And just apply it in a circular motion over the surface of the item, and just allow that to dry naturally. Just massage that in. Any excess that is on there you can wipe away, but in most cases just leave that to dry naturally, and that is going to provide you with a fantastic stain barrier coating on the surface once it's dry, and it'll help prevent like wear and tear in the future. It'll help prevent UV rays attacking the item as well, and it allows your leather to last a lot longer than what it would do normally without any protection on there, just the same as you protect anything, whether it's a painted surface or not. This is painted, same as your car. You must protect it with waxes, polishes or ceramics. This is exactly the same principle. Protect your leather item. If you don't protect it, you are going to have it ruined very, very quickly. That is LRC53 leather juice from the Leather Repair Company. Hop on over to the website, leatherrepaircompany.com.